Couturian Squad. Welcome back to my channel for another video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the Couturian Squad, okay? Get with it, alright? You late. You running late. So today, I'm in a different area. I'm in my little beauty area because I'm going to be trying some new makeup. Well, preferably it is a new eyeshadow palette from Deck of Scarlet. So I'm super excited. I always get super excited when I'm about to try anything new beauty related. You guys may have seen me do makeup looks previously using Deck of Scarlet. So it's basically a beauty subscription where you can subscribe and get a new palette every 2 months for $29.95. But shh, I got the hookup and I'm going to hook you guys up with a discount. If you've never tried Deck of Scarlet before, I will leave a link down below where you can get 30% off your first palette, which will make it $21. You really can't beat that because all what I'm about to show you guys that come in this palette, like, you're really making out. Now on the website, you can actually purchase items without subscribing, like their previous palettes, or you can purchase their foil or matte eyeshadows. So you don't have to be a subscriber to purchase, you know, add-ons and different little items on the website. However, if you want to keep up with the current palettes that come out every 2 months, then you will want to subscribe and use my coupon code link down below. This is the July and August palette. August is my birthday, so I am super excited to be trying this palette. Also, they do collaborations with beauty gurus here on YouTube. This one is in collaboration with Belle Jordan. I don't know if you guys ever heard of her, but she's a British YouTuber. I love her accent. She has some bomb tattoos, and I checked out her channel because it was my first time hearing about her through Deck of Scarlet. So I did check out her videos and she has some bomb content. So let me show you what all comes in this palette. Like I mentioned before, a lot comes in this palette. So this is the packaging here. It comes in this pretty sleek packaging and you open it up like a cake box. And then you have Belle Jordan and a message here from Belle Jordan. Also a little card from Deck of Scarlet to me. And then your palette is protected by some foam. So the packaging is very professional. And you get your palette in here as well as a mascara. So this time you get a mascara. The last time I had like a lip liner. So this is like the very first time that a mascara was included in here, so which is a bonus. This is the Deck of Scarlet Sexy AF Mascara in Blackout. So looking forward to trying this because I'm always on a hunt for different mascaras that's really going to make my lashes bold, just in case I decide not to wear false lashes. But this is the palette right here. I love this packaging. So you just slide it out like this. You open it up like this, and then you have all of your colors in there as well as a mirror. The colors in here are absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's like pinked up purplish color shades. So this shade here is called Supernova, which is like a sparkly purple, like a little sparkly lavender color. And then you have Crush, which is like more like a plumish color purple. And then you have Drama, which would be a nice little crease color if you wanted to use that, or like a little transitional color. And then you have two lip colors, which is Tempting and Passion. So I probably do a mix of these two just to see how that comes out because I really love mixing my lip colors. And then you get a highlighter, which is like a goldish color, and this is called Shh. So this right here is like a little blush here, and this is called Whisper. I love how soft that is. So I don't have any makeup on, just have my eyebrows filled in. So I'm going to be trying this palette for the first time. Also, these colors are cruelty free, no parabens, so it's very safe. So kudos to Deck of Scarlet for that. So I'm going to go ahead and start by adding some tape to the corners of my eyes because I want the eyeshadow to be pretty neat. So just to the corners of my eyes, just so I can have like a straight line. I already prepped my eyes with some eye primer just so my shadows can come out vibrant. So I'm taking a little dome brush and I'm going to use the color Drama, and I'm going to go ahead and put that into my crease. And that is a really soft color, but I'm using this dome brush so I can concentrate in my crease. You definitely can build this color up, I see. love that about that. So I'm just concentrating that in the crease of my eyes, just to add some depth. It's going to be a bomb look. And I make like a little triangle going down with it, just to kind of shape my eyes. I'm going to take like a fluffy brush and blend that in. Just blend it all the way up so it's no harsh lines. I want everything to be perfect and blended, because you have to blend to win. I be telling you guys that all the time. And I'm not a makeup artist by any means. I'm just a makeup enthusiast. I love trying different makeup and doing my makeup, and I always get compliments on my makeup every time I go out. Like, a lot of people always compliment me on how natural my makeup looks, so obviously I'm doing something right. But I'm not like a professional makeup artist, but I try my best to blend, because that is the key to having your makeup look flawless. Well, that's one key to having your makeup look flawless. Another thing that I would suggest you do is to make sure your makeup brushes are clean. Like, when your makeup brushes are clean, your makeup comes out so much more better and so much more flawless and smooth. Next, I'm going to take the color Crush, which is that plum color that I showed you guys. I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my lid. So now that I have Crush on my lids, I'm going to go ahead and apply Supernova, and I'm going to apply that to the inner corner of my lid. This is the sparkly color. Now that I have that on, I'm actually going to go back in the color Drama, which is that pretty little brown color, and I'm going to use this little dome brush to apply it. Just going to make sure that this is all like blended in and that the purple didn't spill over into this transition color. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend upwards towards my brow bone. I'm just going to take this little tape off if I can grip it with my nails, and boom. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll come back when I'm about to go back into the Deck of Scarlet palette so you guys can see how I complete the look. So I have my little face on or whatever. So now I'm going to go back into the palette, and I'm going to put those colors on my lower lash line in the same order that I applied them to the top. So I'm just going to take that purple color again, Crush, the one that's like the plum color, and I'm just going to put it to the bottom of my lash line. Then I'm going to go in with Supernova, which is the sparkly color, and I'm going to apply that to the lower as well. And the same for the other eye. So my eyes are a little watery. I'm going to go ahead and use the Sexy AF Mascara in Blackout by Deck of Scarlet. And I'm going to apply some to both top and bottom lashes. Ooh, look at that little spoolie. It's nice and long. It'll cover most of your eyelashes in like one swipe. I'm also going to be applying Falsies as well, because I think like with this super glam eye, I just wanted it dramatic. I want it more like a dramatic look. So you want to be applying Falsies. I don't know if you guys have trouble when you apply Falsies. Like, the glue always gets on the eyeshadow, so I'm going to make sure I put very minimum, because my eyeshadow is popping. I love how vibrant the colors are and how smooth they went on. So I'm not really trying to mess up my eyeshadow, because I be clumsy when I put on Falsies. The glue, it gets everywhere. So I'm just going to apply just a tad bit, and I'm going to let it dry most of the way before I apply it on. That looks cute. I'm going to do my bottom lashes. So I have my eyelashes on. My eyes are all in one piece. So I think I did an okay job. I normally use a black eyelash glue. That way if I mess up, it won't look too bad. It'll kind of blend in with my black eyeliner. So I think it looks pretty decent. So now I'm going to go back into the Deck of Scarlet palette. And I'm going to go into this highlighter, honey. I'm always excited about a good highlighter. So hopefully this one gives me the good old shimmer that I'm looking for. I'm going to apply the highlighter in the inner tear duct of my eyes. Oh, yes, honey. Woo, that surprised me. I put a little bit too much. Whoa. You know what? Like, I'm looking at it and I'm like, that looks pretty light, but when I have it on, it's like really, really blinging. So I'm going to apply a little bit down the bridge of my nose, just to add a little bit. You really only need a tad bit of this. It's like gold shimmers in it. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on my cheek, just a little bit. Ooh, yes, honey. That in, and she's giving me all the glow that I need for the rest of my life. I know y'all see that, like, cheek is definitely on fleek. Just gonna blend this in with my fingers, that way it's not like harsh. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit. That looks absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of this blush. This is called Whisper. So we're gonna whisper and shh. Isn't it crazy, because shh is the highlighter and it's like loud, okay? It's the loudest thing in the room, and it's beautiful and it's glowing, and it's called shh. So I wonder what Whisper is going to look like on my cheeks. So let's go ahead and see. I expect this to be kind of like on the hush hush, because it's whispering. Yeah, that's pretty subtle. I love that. I don't like my blush too loud or anything like that. So that's pretty subtle. It's like a mauve-y purplish color, and I think it looks really nice and natural. It's not like va-va-voom in your face, because I'm not really a blush person anymore. I haven't been wearing blush like that as of late, but I think this looks really, really natural, and it looks really good. So now it's time to move on to my absolute favorite part, which is the lip color. And we have two, which is Tempting and Passion. I'm going to see if I can work them both into this look. If not, I'll probably just go with the Passion, because it really looks like this berry purplish color crush for the eyeshadow. We're going to go ahead and try this and see how I like it. It's really, really creamy. It's going on my brush really creamy. Let's see how it applies. Ooh. Ooh, yes. So there you have it, you guys. This is the finished makeup look using the Deck of Scarlet palette, and I absolutely love this look. It's so pretty. This color here blends really nice with the outer portion of my eyes, and I just think that the look looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think about this, and I will leave the link down below as well as the coupon code. And if you guys have any questions regarding anything that I've showed today. Make sure you leave those down below in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. And if you like what you're seeing, stay tuned. Stay tuned. You don't like, you love what I'm doing. What I'm doing.